Hello, today I will present to you our paper called Blended Learning Platform Model. In this presentation, there will be 5 parts: introduction, blended learning ecosystem, problematic, blended learning platform model, and conclusion. E-learning is an online learning solution organized at a distance on the web. In other words, e-learning is a type of online and distance learning that uses the internet and new digital technologies with the aim of improving the learning process. In recent years, blended learning has become very popular in the learning industry worldwide, especially because of its ability to combine the benefits of face-to-face learning and online learning. Blended learning combines the advantages of face-to-face training, such as participation, spontaneity of interaction, practical topics, sharing, and motivation, and the advantages of e-learning, such as flexibility, personalization, cost reduction, and adaptability of the training. We use the term blended learning ecosystem to explore the actors involved in the system. Thus, the blended learning ecosystem has several components that can be grouped into 5 essential elements. Content providers are the parties that create, structure, and deliver learning content to content consumers. Content consumers are the parties that exploit the content exposed by content providers. Consultants are the parties that support the educational process, including those who advise and deploy strategic practices and provide services at the technical level. A learning infrastructure, the set of technological resources needed to deliver e-learning services to learners. A learning culture serves to establish a positive attitude toward the blended learning process. In the blended learning ecosystem, learning activities and training take place in a traditional classroom, face-to-face learning, and online learning. For classroom courses, students can discuss and react directly with each other and with the teachers. For online courses, they need an intermediary to deliver and learn the training. Thus, learning activities require technological support, a blended learning culture, and a flexible e-learning infrastructure. The e-learning infrastructure is a key element of the blended learning ecosystem as it hosts the blended learning platform. The blended learning platform is a web portal or application that connects all members of the blended learning ecosystem: teachers, learners, university community, etc. In this regard, we propose a blended learning ecosystem platform model summarized in 3 layers. The midpoint layer, it is an access layer to the educational platform. It is the meeting point of all profiles: teachers, students, trainers, university community, with the blended learning ecosystem, with the blended learning system. It displays the user interface for the profiles and manages the authentication process. The interactive services layer, it includes interfaces and catalogs that expose to users the resources available on the platform. The infrastructure layer, this is the layer that hosts the platform. All learning resources are stored on database servers. The blended learning ecosystem describes all the components required to build a blended learning environment. These components are divided into 5 categories: content providers, content consumers, consultants, e-learning infrastructure, and e-learning culture. The e-learning infrastructure is a key component of the blended learning ecosystem as it hosts the distance learning platform. To this end, this paper presents a flexible, intelligent, and manageable distance learning platform model for the blended learning ecosystem, which is composed of 3 layers: the midpoint layer, the interactive services layer, and the infrastructure layer. Universities can adapt this model to their needs to build a blended learning environment. Thank you for your attention.